Introducing the latest addition to the G-Shock family in the GM110EARTH 1A, a funky Earth-inspired watch in the GM110 G-Shock family. Casio state this model is supposed to take you into outer space for a true-to-life view of the Earth. The ion-plated metal bezel looks like it's supposed to have a smattering of clouds over a pearlescent blue surface. Looking at the dial plate, it looks like some green land from way up above. Imagine we're floating in the International Space Station and looking down at Earth. This may be what you see, apart from the big G-Shock logo and LCD screens, of course. So pretty interestingly, there's an inverted LCD display with a blue background and bright white numbering. Usually an inverted LCD display would have a black background, but I guess Casio wanted to continue with the blue marble Earth theme as much as they could. A resin band with a solid metal clasp and loop keeps this watch on the wrist. And engraved on the case back, we find a dotted map of the Earth with Japan being centered. It seems the dots represent cities or towns, or potentially this is what you would see if it was nighttime over the part of the Earth that you were orbiting. Anyway, the design is pretty out there in my opinion. It's quite detailed, so you really have to get up close to see what it's all about. The more I hold this watch, the more I really like the ion-plated blue case. It's got a lovely polished shine and really does look like the deep blue ocean. This model G-Shock is fairly big, like most G-Shocks are. Lug to lug, 51.9mm, width 48.8, and thickness is going to be 16.9mm. The usual specs like shock resistance, 200 meters water resistance, and magnetic resistance can of course be found in this model. The case is made from stainless steel, and the glass is mineral glass. We have some Neo Bright, also known as Lume, in the hands, so they'll glow after some exposure to light. So now that we're familiar with this watch, would you buy it? Would you wear it? Let me know in the comments section down below. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it, and subscribe for more watch content. A link to buy this watch can be found in the description if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.